Will she start? I don't know. Hey, she started. I love beetles. They're so much stinking fun. All right, let's go home. Look at that. Nasty. And they wonder why Volkswagens rust. So here's something that, pet peeve of mine. When you're gonna paint a bug or a car or anything, and you just think you're gonna save a little bit of time and money by not replacing the rubber gaskets, especially on a bug, don't paint the car. Don't paint the car. Sell it to someone who'll paint it and do it right by replacing the gaskets. I say that tongue in cheek because I'm not replacing the fender beading. All right, pet peeve of mine for sure. So that's nasty, gross, disgusting. Just, oh, I'm grossed out right now. Nasty. Got a lot done today in the short amount of time we've been working, but we still have a long way to go. So here's some areas I discovered. This is some of that rust I pointed out earlier. We kind of exposed it. Still need to get down a little bit. We're gonna put some rust treatment on that. Still have a little bit of finish work to do here. This is going to need to get dug down a little bit, and we're gonna end up pushing that out from the other side with the hammer. We've got the fenders off. There's a little bit of dents, dings up in here, but that's not really relevant because it's covered. Again, this is definitely just something fun to do. It's not, I'm not looking for professionalism here, so I know I'm doing a lot of things wrong. Okay, so next step, we're gonna have to deal with the center of the car. So that's gonna be areas of rust like this. Still gonna have to get the bee's nest out of the bug and go from there. We are going to need to pull this off here. The next time we start filming, we'll get to that. But To be honest, I'm hungry. Haven't had anything to eat since lunch, and all I had for lunch was popcorn, so I'm a little famished. So give me a moment, let me grab some food, and we'll go have some more fun. Yeah! It's gonna have fun now. Here's the reel. The audio sucks, I know. I'm working on a bug, and I want to show you guys my progress as I go. So each day there's going to be a new video. As you can see, I've done a little bit more since I've shot this, and I will continue to do so. My anticipation is to have this painted by next weekend. That means there are going to be several more videos to come. Yeah!